Let's look at a vocab word. Polarity. Polarity has 4 syllables. Po, la, ri, ti. Polarity comes from the Latin word polus, meaning end of an axis. Polarity is having opposite ends or conditions, such as positive and negative. Another word for polarity is opposites. Polarity is caused by an unbalanced distribution of electrical energy. One side has more negative charge, while the other has a more positive charge. Here are some examples of polarity. In one image, we see a diagram of the Earth with the north and south poles. In another image, we see a bar magnet with a north end and a south end. Finally, we see a third image of a battery with a positive end and a negative end. Here we see a polar bear. He lives at the North Pole. He does not have polarity. A synonym for polarity would be charged. Here we see in the first image a charged wire. Electric current is flowing through this wire. In the second image, we see a charged cell phone. The battery in this phone is fully charged with electrical energy. An antonym, or word meaning the opposite, for polarity is uncharged. The polarity of a battery can be identified by the sign on the side. Plus means positive, and minus means negative. When we know the polarity of something, like a magnet, it tells us which way the electrons are flowing. A key word for polarity is axis. Here, we see Earth's axis runs through the North Pole and South Pole. Polarity. Po, la, ri, ti.